Hello everyone, I'm Alexandra from Parkspace and we are set to solve your parking nightmares. So have you ever been in a situation where you got up early in the morning because you have this dentist appointment and you're driving there and you plan on arriving there 10 minutes earlier, but what ends up happening is you spend additional 20 minutes driving around the neighborhood and trying to find the parking spot? Well, if you haven't, you're a very lucky driver, but if you have, you might like very much the rest of this pitch. So what if we told you that there's a solution that can tell you where exactly you should head to find the parking spot, and that way you could spend those additional 20 minutes in the bed in the morning with your coffee or with your kid? What if we told you that we have that solution for you in the shape of a mobile app?
So how does it work? The concept is pretty simple. As a user, you insert your final destination, so your target destination, and the app provides you with map of available parking spots in that area. The technology behind that is going to be based on satellite imagery, and those satellite images are going to feed an AI algorithm, which is then going to be integrated within one app for user to experience. For all of you investors in the public, our business model is going to be based on the app subscription model, so rather basic concept, backed up also by public environment funds, which are aiming to reduce the ecological impact.
Here is the current situations about finding parking spots. From this graph, we can see that almost 33% of French drivers have problems in finding a parking spots, and the numbers are about 50% for the Italian people and the European drivers. In average, drivers need 10 to 20 minutes in finding a parking spots. And on the other hand, we know that there are 242 million cars in Europe, and our research found that about 30% of drivers are willing to pay in this field. In this graph, we can see that there is an increasing number of the users in navigation apps, but there are few apps offer real-time data about the parking spots. On the other hand, there are great demand in Europe, so we see that this market is huge enough for us to develop it. Thank you.
Okay, and then finally, let's take a look at the future. As for the technological side, we are about to launch an updated version which could offer a real-time DV parking service. That means that you no longer know that information of which parking spots exactly are available currently, and also the price, so that the price-sensitive users and the time-sensitive users can personalize themselves. As for the market development, we're about to launch at France or at Italy and Romania, where we have some already have some interview users. And later on, we about to expand it to the European-wide or to the worldwide. That is to say, there are many desperate and fury drivers to be saved by Parkspace. And thank you for your attention, and I hope that you will be one of our users in the near future.